Ooh. That? Slash def. Tactician's crown. This is kind of fun. Like you can just start building the cap. Wait, what the fuck is this skin? A moo. No. Country. Wow. A moo. No. Okay. I might be a certified dumbass. Like, why am I playing this in Mumu? Like, don't I need to hold this Olaf? Like, if I don't get 3 gold, I got a gold opener. I got a gold opener. In Fawn Galaxy. Okay, this game's over. Oh my. I'm guaranteed an extra 3 gold. Because I've only got 9 gold so far. I got a movement plus 6. Man, this is a gold opener? Like, bro, like, it's just so unfair. I just won the game for free. It's over. GG's. Fuck it, full gold opener. My keepers was really good on TF. But the thing is, patient study. I mean, I do have a gold opener. And it's actually so much combat. Oh. Is this augment good? Oh, it's a 4.06. What the fuck? Alright, okay, Olaf reroll. I'm kinda down. Olaf reroll this game. Wait, this guy's 4 Olaf. Oh, nice. Good loss. Good shit. Country plus 1. I could also just push levels for free. If you ever want to hold the country, I lose a gold for no reason. RPF. Heart Rods, Bond. Escort Quest, Div, Spoils. TGs. Sinsu Belt. I mean, he's not playing Olaf here. He's probably gonna sell. It's actually not bad. Especially because I already have Sterix on the Olaf. Like, it's actually good. What even is BIS Olaf? I'm pretty sure every item might be plus Delta, I'm not gonna lie. Type in Sterix plus 1. Bow chain. I can make 30 here. Am I just committed to 5 loss? I open up the chosen as well. I'm down. Spell Weaver. Echo 2. Heart Steel. Oh shit, Chosen Bruiser. I mean, I could send it, but like, I need to find 2 more. I was hoping to find Olaf before. This guy has 1 Olaf as well. I don't even think I'm gonna hit. Like, I'm kind of down to push levels and just natural the Olaf. Is probably the move. Oh wait, I'm 1 off. Okay, what if I roll all my gold and I don't hit? Oh god. Nah. Oh, Olaf right here. Oh. I mean, I can also go Tom Kench 3, I guess. And top. I'm pretty sure I just missed the Gragas. I mean, I don't even want to dig past 30 here. What the fuck? Like, if I dig past 30 here and I just go true 0, like how the fuck do I go? Honestly, I don't even mind losing. Also, belt BF. I fucking hate Ginsu. Like, no one's building a fucking Ginsu, but I'm looking at my items. Like, doesn't it have to be Ginsu? Or I'm going fucking 8th? This guy's a tome on bench. I want Titans. Oh wait, I don't win this, right? I won. Oh wait. Oh, vampirism, 2 healthy, remember your roots, whole board gains. These are all so good, I don't even know which one's better. Stats Explorer, Augments. There's not enough data of Olaf 3. Too big to fail. There's not enough data, fuck. I mean, this is attack speed, honestly. Devers is way too good. Okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna slow roll for Tom Kench 3, Olaf 3, and then push levels. And now with Vampirism, I don't have to build the thing. I can just go Ginsu and I just go Ginsu Titans. Acceptable. I will allow it. Yeah, the Olaf Ginsu Delta is not very good, but honestly BT is also plus Delta. But it's like how bad can it be when you have Vampers? Like, it can't be bad, right? Yeah. My Olaf is getting fucking clear. I don't have a Titans. I mean, whatever. 3 in a loss. Who the fuck cares? I'm 1 off. Also 2 off the Tom Kench. Like, just wait. Just wait. Let me make sure I don't miss Gragas and Zach. I already know I'm gonna miss them. I'm an idiot. Gragas. Zach. Alright, let me do a quick rescout. How many Olafs are gone? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can hit. And after I hit, it's just a fucking win out. I need this Titans though. After I get the Titans, my Olaf is actually winning. This guy's a straight up fucking beast. Nah, fake loss. It's actually my last loss, seriously. 46, low, rod. There's a, whatever this is. PS sword. I mean, I need a Titans. I can't play the game. Okay. And now I just hit Olaf real quick. It's a win out. I played 3 Penta, 6 Bruiser. Add set. Oh yeah, what's this? Add set. Top. I'm gonna just upgrade this, who cares? I mean, KO2 is KO2. I mean, I kinda use Olaf now because I'm not trying to just be dead. Hello? Like, at least give... Does Set come back? Does Gragas come back? Does Set come back? Nala comes back? I mean, Set comes back. I mean, Set2's good, though. Oh no, I might actually itemize him soon, though. I'm fighting a Jin. What? What the fuck? Whatever, 1 unit loss. I don't even want to like get on this final board. It's fine. Okay, I mean it's fine. I just sack 1 more here. Tom catch 3. Very cool. But honestly, Kale on board is like pretty decent, right? And also I can play Sentinel as well. Like my level 8 could be 2 Sentinel, Kale on board, 2 Sentinel, 6 Bruiser. Kale shreds MR, so I'm looking for the Spark. It's actually kind of good. Like it's really good. I just need to make it to 8 somehow, and I should be good to go. Like it's Spawn Galaxy, so I can play everything. 6 Bruiser, 3 Penta, 2 Sentinel, Kale, MR Shred. Maybe I can get a Morello on the Kale. This Olaf is a fucking beast. Okay, like surely I find 1 fucking Olaf. Eventually, right? So like 1. Just 1. Like surely I find 1. Too big to fill vampirism. Can see touching stairs. Glove. How many seconds back? It's been too sensitive. I mean, I could go Spark, but I could play this dude anyway, right? Hello? Like 1 Olaf, please. I need to push levels, man. Hello? 1 Olaf! 1! Okay, thank you. I mean, it's not even good. I'm so fucking good. TG, and then I go Morello, like fuck the Spark. I need an anti-heal, I can't play the game. I'm so poor, like when the fuck can I go 8? I'm level 5. I can 8 on 5-1 at the earliest. It's fine. Maybe this Olaf is strong enough until 5-1. I've been 8 Olafs for like 100 gold. 100 stats, gold. Gold's okay, not really. On this comp, it doesn't do anything. On the little buddies, I'm carrying Olaf, bro. Oh! What the fuck? Holy shit. Okay, GG's. Alright, when the fuck can I go with 9? I need a Zach as well. God. Alright, how much do I need out of this game? I don't know, but infinite. I have like Gigabits. 1%. I gain an extra, right now with a 4 bruiser, it's an extra 39% EV and AP. I basically got a third item. The fuck? Alright, and now I just go